On project 7, you want to show us slope-intercept form given 2 points, which means you have to find the slope first and then figure out the equation. So let's start off with 2 points, and you have to use the slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, and so we're going to label and then plug it in. So we have 4 minus 3 over 5 minus 2. That gives us 1 over 3. So your slope is 1/3. Then from there, you show us how to write the equation. So y equals mx plus b. M is 1/3. Now you can figure out which one of these you'd like to take and plug it in. So I'm going to choose the 2 and 3. So x is 2, y is 3. Now don't be afraid of this fraction. If you need to, use the calculator and multiply 1/3 times 2, and it's going to give you 2/3. Now take this number and subtract it. Don't be afraid of the fraction. Subtract in the calculator if you need to. 3 minus 2/3, okay? Now, for those that would like to do this by hand, it's not easy. It's not hard. 3 minus 2/3, okay? That's over 1. So I need this to be 3. So I'm just going to multiply this bottom by 3, which means the top has to be multiplied by 3. So this really becomes 9 over 3. Now I have my answer, which is 7 over 3. And now I can write my final answer, 1/3 x plus 7 over 3. You can check your work using menu 613 in the calculator. I don't want you to teach us that because we already know that. I want you to show us by hand. While I have you, while you're watching, let me go ahead and do another one that comes out a little easier, okay? So let's try 2, 4, and 3, 5. Let's see what happens with that. So we're going to do x1, y1, x2, y2, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 5 minus 4 over 3 minus 2. 5 minus 4 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, equals 1. My slope is 1. Y equals mx plus b. Plug in m. And I'm going to use this point this time. So x is 3, y is 5. 3 plus b equals 5. Subtract 3 on both sides, and b equals 2. So now take b and m. So y equals mx plus b. Put your 1 here for m, and b is 2. And now you have the answer. So you saw a very simple one, and then you saw another one with fraction.